بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا.
Whereof do they question one another? It is of the awful tidings concerning which they are in disagreement. Nay, but they will come to know. Nay again, but they will come to know. Have we not made the earth an expanse, and the high hills bulwarks? And we have created you in pairs, and have appointed your sleep for repose, and have appointed the night as a cloak, and have appointed the day for livelihood.
وَبَنَيْنَا فَوْقَكُمْ سَبْعًا شِدَادًا وَجَعَلْنَا سِرَاجًا وَهَّاجًا وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ الْمُعْصِرَاتِ مَاءً ثَجَّاجًا لِنُخْرِجَ بِهِ حَبًّا وَنَبَاتًا وَجَنَّاتٍ أَلْفَافًا.
And we have built above you 7 strong heavens, and have appointed a dazzling lamp, and have sent down from the rainy clouds abundant water, thereby to produce grain and plant, and gardens of thick foliage.
إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا لابثين فيها أحقابا لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا إلا حميما وغساقا جزاء وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا.
Lo, the day of decision is a fixed time, a day when the trumpet is blown and ye come in multitudes, and the heaven is opened and becometh as gates, and the hills are set in motion and become as a mirage. Lo, hell lurketh in ambush, a home for the rebellious. They will abide therein for ages. Therein taste they neither coolness nor any drink, save boiling water and a paralyzing cold. Reward proportioned to their evil deeds, for lo, they looked not for a reckoning. They called our revelations false with strong denial. Everything have we recorded in a book, so taste of that which ye have earned. No increase do we give you save of torment.
إن للمتقين مفازا حدائق وأعنابا وكواعب أترابا وكأسا دهاقا لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا.
Lo, for the duteous is achievement, gardens enclosed in vineyards, and maidens for companions, and a full cup. There here they never vain discourse nor lying. Requital from thy Lord, a gift in payment. Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all that is between them, the Beneficent, with whom none can converse.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا. ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا. إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا.
On the day when the angels and the spirits stand arrayed, they speak not, saving him whom the Beneficent alloweth, and who speaketh right. That is the true day. So whoso will should seek recourse unto his Lord. Lo, we warn you of a doom at hand, a day whereon a man will look on that which his own hands have sent before, and the disbelievers will cry, Would that I were dust. That I were dust.